In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 free tools you can use to find trending content for your social media. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this without wasting any time. Tool number 1 to find what's trending online is called SparkToro. Now, SparkToro has a lot of different bells and whistles you can use, but they have a free resource. So if you go to SparkToro.com, we're gonna go to their free tools, resources, I believe, and then free tools, and then you're gonna see trending. So this will show you what's trending, basically based on the Twitter at the moment. So when I click on this, you can also connect your Twitter account to see content that's relevant, but also relevant to you and also trending at the same time. So here are different topics, different links, news that's trending right now. Very interesting. I know Basecamp is having a lot of news. Disaster Girl meme that's been huge last couple of days. So I can see trending topics. Look at this. And then if I want to go back, seems like, ooh, I did not know this. So I can go back to, let's say, yesterday's top 25 stories. So I can see that. Here's what was trending yesterday. That's really helpful. So that was our tool number 1, SparkToro trending, to find trending content ideas or topics actually online. Tool number 2, and you may have heard of this, it's called Reddit. And yes, once you go to Reddit, Reddit is probably the best source of finding like what's trending on the internet at the moment. So when you go to Reddit, you're gonna click here and then go click popular. And now just go through this. You'll see different news. Ignore this because this is an ad. How do I know? Look at this promoted tag. But then you'll start seeing different type of memes, news, everything on the internet that's popular right now. This is just amazing. And if you scroll up, here are different, so there's something, India, there's some challenges being there for COVID, travel, all of this stuff. So that's also trending right now. And if you want it to be specific to your region, you can also select, let's say, United States. Now I'll see what's trending in the United States. Right, so cool. All right, so that was our tool number 2 or website number 2, Reddit. Number 3, and also it's free. And some of you may know this, it's Google Trends. So go to trends.google.com and it'll show you everything that's trending right now. So if you scroll down, by the way, on Google Trends, you can also search for a keyword. Let's say if you wanted to see the keyword of Facebook ads, you can see how, if that keyword is trending up or down. So for example, let's actually do it. So if I put Facebook ads in here, I can kind of get a feel of, if it's trending up or down. You can do this with any keyword. But let me go back on the home because I want to show you something else in this video. So if I scroll down, you're going to see this section, recently trending. So these are the topics, Lakers, Phoenix Suns, all of this. This is what's trending right now at the moment online on Google. And Google probably knows best. So when I click on more trending searches, there you go. So now I can see today is May 1st, 2021. That's when I'm recording or making this video. And here are different topics that you can see. And the good thing is, if some of this is relevant to you, you can take this topic or this thing that's trending and create content on your blog, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. And guess what? If you ride a trend, you can actually go sort of viral or attract a lot of eyeballs or a lot of reach and engagement for your content. So trends.google.com is another resource to find what's trending right now. Now, the next one, number 4, is actually Twitter. Yeah, it's very simple. If you go log into Twitter, you're going to see on the right-hand side, which is right here, what's happening, and you will see stuff that's trending. So here's different topics, different news. Sometimes you'll see, for example, the news articles that's trending. And sometimes you'll see the different topics that are trending. And if I click on show more, Here you go. I can go through this right here. So here's, I can see stuff trending in sports, culture, and also just the news articles as well. Very helpful. Again, you can scan through this, and then if something is trending and it's also relevant to your business, bingo, you can create content on that topic. And obviously you have to make sure it's relevant and the right thing to create content about, because you don't want to create content for everything that's trending, right? Because it may not make sense for your business. All right, that was number 4. Number 5 is actually YouTube. Yes, YouTube also has a trending section. So if I go to youtube.com and we are gonna click on explore, and then look at all these categories, but we're gonna click on trending, and then here are different videos. Now these are like video topics, but this is what's trending on YouTube. And also again, sometimes you'll look at something here. Look at this, watermelon art. So if you are if you talk about food or fruits, that could be something that you can create content about. You can do this in your own way. But this is another place that you can go for free and see what's trending on the internet, what type of topics, videos in this case are trending. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. These are the 5 free tools that you can use to find trending content online at the moment. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.